Your Mustang Mach E is equipped with an intelligent, electronically controlled door latch system called E-Latch. A button located on each door releases the door latch. Here's how it works. With your key fob on hand or phone as a key, simply push the button to activate E-Latch. Doing so will cause the door to unlatch and pop open slightly. A convenient pull handle just below the button is there to assist with opening the front door. Simply pull the handle to open it all the way. To open the rear doors, press the button on the door. The door will unlatch and open slightly. Then, simply pull the door open the rest of the way using the grab pad on the inside of the door. Once any door is open, it will not close again until it has been open all the way, so there's no need to worry about pinched fingers. To exit the vehicle from inside, simply pull the lever on the armrest. The door will unlatch so you can swing it open the rest of the way with ease. A few more things to know. If you lose electrical power and need to enter the vehicle, there are 2 power points in the front lower grille that allow you to attach jumper cables. With the cables connected, the front trunk will pop open so you can access the battery and charge it. Once the battery is charged, you'll have the power necessary to use the E-latches and open the doors. If you have a depleted battery or lose electrical power while inside the vehicle and are unable to use the E-latch, just pull the lever on the armrest all the way and the door will open. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.